Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with an introductory video on treat as function. We'll be watching a very basic functionality of how the treat as function work into this particular video. So let's get started with the video. This treat as is nothing but it is a filter function for a table in which we are storing the data which we need to filter out in one separate table, and the other table in which we need to filter the data will be the another table. That means two unrelated table will be taken as the in the filtration process with treat as function. What I'm trying to tell, let me explain by having demonstration in Power BI. For that, what I will do is, this is fact table in front of us, which is a sales data in which there are multiple columns into it having all the sales data. We will be bothered for this city column into this. For the city column, or let's suppose take better to take another category column so that it will be easy to understand. Let's take category column. In this category column, what we will do, we will filter out few of the categories present into this particular category column. So what we will do instead, we are having this one. So what we will do, we will just right click and then copy. We will go to our this and then paste it over here. What we will do is, we'll take up this furniture, go to home ribbon. Into that, we will create a new table in front of us, which will be the table containing data to be filtered out. So we will take it as column to consider, something like that we will take, and the data with which we will put it as furniture first, and second data what we will put it as technology. Let's suppose take this 2. I think only 3 unique values are there into this, so we are taking these two data into separate table with having a separate column. Now let me explain you that what we are going to do, what's the problem statement in front of us. So you can see that this table, it is having furniture and technology into the column to consider. After that, what we need to do, we need to filter out this fact table column, that is category column. This category column we need to filter out, and we need to filter out only these two data from it. That means these two data will be filtered out from whole of the data which is contained by this category column. For that, what we will do, we will click on table tools again, click on new table. We will create a new table with having treat as. So we will rename it as table underscore treat as. Now we'll take the dedicated function against it, that is treat as DAX function, which expects two parameters, first one expression and another one is the column name. So the expression we need to provide is, suppose value is the function, which value is nothing but just take out the unique values from some particular table or from some particular column. We are bothered for the column right now, so what we will do, we'll pass the column from the fact table, that is category column. Fine. Now another parameter we just want to pass is that filter we need to apply on this fact category column. The filter is the table having table column to consider, that is column to consider, table column to consider. This particular one is the filter we need to apply on this particular fact category column. When we will click on enter, we can see that whatever data we need to extract out, those data has been extracted out and given as the result. That means it is a filter applied over here, taken from the filter data taken from some other table and the whole data taken from some other table, which both were not related to each other. and in front of us we can see that both of these two data has been filtered out, which we have given into this table column to consider. So this was just an introductory video of TREATAS. Maybe that I will be coming up with some explanatory video on TREATAS. So stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the videos. If you found the video helpful, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.